Hey guys! Few companies decide to hold a summer sale of the creative software. So today I'm going to bundle all three in one video to highlight some of those discounted prices. The first thing to notice is Affinity. Affinity hosts this flash sale 50% off. And I think this is the very first time they decide to host some kind of summer sale. Normally they limit themselves only to 2 sales per year. It's a spring sale and then Black Friday. So that's new. They call it flash sale, so I think it will last just for a short period of time. And everything is 50% off. So if you head to the official website, you may notice that you can get the full package half price for all three programs. So designer, photo, and publisher, and all three platforms. So that's 9 different options for you to use. And the good news is you can bundle this discount with the upgrade discount. So if you're still rocking version V1, you will get additional $20 here, and you can reduce the whole price to like 62 plus taxes. So that's a really nice deal for the whole package. Just keep in mind, currently we are already on version 2.5. So just 4 updates, and then the version 3 will be released, and that will be a paid version, so you need to kind of purchase this again if you want those new features from version 3. If you don't, you can keep using version 2 as long as you want. Alright, so that's Affinity. All three programs discounted, everything is 50% off. I will drop a link in the description. The next thing, the Core hosts a sale, and that's a surprise because they just released this new version of the Core Draw 2024. And they're already offering 10% off. So if you've been holding to update, this is our first chance to get this new version with some little discount. So 10% off. I will drop a link to this sale in the description as well. And from the same company that make CorelDRAW, they got this other software called PaintShop Pro, and it's right now 40% off. And I hate those scarcity tactics saying that it's 55 minutes left only. Nope, it's not. It's like a few more days. And now it's 40% off. You can get it for Windows. And I think you can also try it first. So you can get the free trial and then you can get the program. This is more for digital art side. All right, and the last one I want to highlight in this video is Lumina Neo. They got this AI photo editing software, so all of those features still missing in Affinity Photo can be found here. So I've been using kind of Affinity Photo plus Lumina Neo together this year to kind of match what Photoshop with AI can do. Alright, and this is one of the few that actually offer the one-time purchase lifetime license. That's why I picked them. So you must pay a bit more. I got those prices in Thai baht because I'm in Thailand right now, but you must pay a bit more, but you can use it for lifetime, so you don't need to worry about paying monthly or every year for it. So that's a nice thing, and it's right now 81% off for 2 more days. So that's really hot discount for this software. So this one is all based on AI editing. So not that much about tools, more about this AI running in the background that allow you to remove element, replace sky, enhance colors really quickly, analyze what is in the picture. That's something that's really missing in Affinity Photo. So I kind of use it together with Photo as 2 programs working hard against this new Photoshop. Alright, so that's what I want to highlight today. You can get this nice Lumina Neo with the discount. If you are in digital art, the PaintShop Pro is on discount as well. CorelDRAW, if you are CorelDRAW users, you can update or you can get a brand new CorelDRAW for yourself for the first time with 10% off. And the biggest news is, of course, this 50% on Affinity software. Alright, that was just a quick update on recent sales. As I know, more and more people try to move away from Adobe after the last term of condition of service update, right? That's Adobe for you. Alright, thank you for today, and I will see you in the next video.